Technology accessibility. Understanding Colorado HB 21-1110 and digital accessibility for schools. In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, digital technology plays a more crucial role than ever before. From online learning platforms to digital textbooks and communication tools, our students and staff interact with a vast array of digital content daily. But what about ensuring everyone can access and benefit from these resources, regardless of ability? That's where Colorado House Bill 21-1110 comes in, often referred to as the Colorado Laws for Persons with Disabilities. This landmark legislation, enacted in 2021, is a significant step towards ensuring digital inclusivity across our state's public sector, including our K-12 school districts. It expands on existing anti-discrimination laws, specifically targeting the accessibility of government information technology. So what exactly does HB 21-1110 apply to? The short answer is a lot. This bill goes beyond just website accessibility. It encompasses a comprehensive array of information and communication technology, both public-facing and internal-facing. This includes websites and web applications, our district's main website, individual school sites, parent portals, student information systems, and any web-based tools. Mobile applications. Any district-utilized mobile apps for communication, learning, or administration. This includes apps on iPads and other district technology devices. Digital kiosks, digital signage, and displays. Think about interactive displays in your classrooms, school hallways, or digital bulletin boards. Documents, this is a big one. PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Google Docs, Sheets, and slides. Any digital document you create, share, or post online. Video and audio content, educational videos, recorded lectures, virtual meetings, podcasts, and any multimedia accessible through our district's platforms. Third-party tools and integrations, this is critical. Our district procures software and platforms from external vendors, and those tools must also be accessible. This includes learning management systems, filtering tools, classroom management platforms, and any educational technology used by students or staff. Essentially, if it's digital content provided by or procured by our school district, and it's used by the public, our students, or our employees, it falls under HB 21-1110. Now let's think about timelines and requirements. The original compliance deadline for many aspects of HB 21-1110 was July 1st, 2024. However, recognizing the significant undertaking this represents, a grace period was extended to July 1st, 2025, for school districts to ensure their digital content meets accessibility standards. It's crucial to understand that this extension came with a condition. Districts were required to demonstrate good faith efforts towards compliance or towards resolving any complaints of noncompliance. This included publishing an accessibility roadmap, offering a method for users to report accessibility issues, which was a clear, easily findable way for students, parents, and staff to notify the district of any digital barriers they encounter, and is currently published on our website. Documenting ongoing progress, keeping detailed records of our efforts to audit, remediate, and train staff. The core of HB 21-1110's accessibility standards aligns with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG 2.1 Level AA. This is an internationally recognized standard for web accessibility, and it's all about making digital content perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. Let's break down some key aspects of WCAG 2.1 AA that directly impact our schools. Perceivable. This means that information and user interface components must be presentable to users in ways they can perceive. For example, providing alt text for all non-text content like images, charts, and graphs. This descriptive text is read by screen readers for visually impaired users. Also, captions, transcripts, and audio descriptions for videos and audio content are essential for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Operable. User interface components and navigation must be operable. This includes ensuring all functionality can be operated via a keyboard, which is crucial for users with mobility impairments or those using assistive technologies. Understandable. Information and the operation of the user interface must be understandable. This means using clear, simple language, consistent navigation, and logical page structures with hierarchical headings. Robust. Content must be robust enough that it can be interpreted reliably by a wide variety of user agents, including assistive technologies. This speaks to the underlying code and structure of digital content, ensuring compatibility. So how do our school districts meet these rigorous requirements, especially with the vast amount of digital content created daily? Let's talk about some powerful tools that can help. First up, for those of us who heavily utilize Google Workspace, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, Grackle Docs is an indispensable ally. Grackle Docs is an add-on that integrates directly into your Google Workspace environment. With Grackle Docs, you can run automated accessibility checks, which are shown on the right-hand side of the screen in the image. It quickly scans your documents, slides, or spreadsheets for common accessibility issues. It breaks down accessibility problems into manageable tasks, flagging errors, warnings, and tips for remediation. Grackle Docs provides clear instructions and often direct prompts to fix issues, such as adding alternative text to images, ensuring proper heading structure, tagging tables for accessibility, and verifying color contrast. When you export your Google Workspace files to other formats like PDF, Grackle Docs helps ensure that the resulting file retains its accessibility features. This is particularly important because directly saving a PDF from Google Docs can often create an untagged and an inaccessible file. Grackle Docs empowers individual content creators, our teachers, administrators, and staff to build accessibility into their work from the ground up, reducing the need for extensive remediation later. For staff members relying on Microsoft content creation tools, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, users can access the integrated Microsoft Accessibility Checker by clicking on the Review tab and selecting the Check Accessibility tool. This is yet another tool which is integrated into these familiar applications. There's no need for separate software. It's right there in your Microsoft programs. It scans your content for common accessibility problems like missing alt text, unclear table structures, insufficient color contrast, and incorrect reading order in presentations. When an issue is flagged, the accessibility checker explains why it's a problem for accessibility and offers recommended actions to fix it, often with direct links to implement the changes. It organizes errors into errors, warnings, and tips, helping you prioritize what needs immediate attention. While the Microsoft Accessibility Checker is a fantastic starting point and highly effective for many issues, remember it's an automated tool. It can catch a significant percentage of issues, but a thorough review by a human is always recommended for comprehensive accessibility. It's a powerful supplement to your overall accessibility efforts. Beyond individual documents and presentations, school districts use a vast array of educational technology, or ed tech. Our district is no different. Ensuring the accessibility of these third-party tools is a critical requirement of HB 21-1110. This is where Learn Platform comes into play as a powerful solution. Learn Platform is an EdTech effectiveness system that helps us organize, streamline, and analyze our educational technology. From an accessibility standpoint, it's invaluable because it allows us to create a centralized EdTech library. This provides a single source of truth for all approved digital instructional materials. Learn Platform can be customized to include accessibility as a key criterion in our EdTech review and approval workflows. This means that we can proactively ensure that any new software or platform being considered meets WCAG 2.1 AA standards before it's implemented. We can also request and manage VPATs. A voluntary product accessibility template is a document that explains how an information and communication technology product or service conforms to accessibility standards. Learn Platform can help us track and manage VPATs from our vendors, ensuring documented proof of accessibility. We can also understand which tools are being used, and this will help us prioritize accessibility audits and remediation efforts. Parents and guardians can also easily see which digital resources are approved and accessible, fostering transparency and trust. By using Learn Platform, we can make informed decisions about our EdTech ecosystem, ensuring that every tool chosen contributes to an inclusive learning environment for all students. These tools, Grackle Docs, Microsoft Accessibility Checker, and Learn Platform, are not just about compliance. They are about truly empowering every learner. Accessible content removes barriers, allowing students to focus on learning rather than struggling with inaccessible formats, promotes independence, and creates a more inclusive school community. It sends a clear message that everyone belongs and is valued. HB 21-1110 is an opportunity for Colorado school districts to lead the way in creating truly equitable learning environments. By proactively addressing digital accessibility, leveraging tools like Grackle Docs, Microsoft Accessibility Checker, and Learn Platform, and fostering a culture of accessibility throughout our schools, we can ensure that every student has the chance to thrive in our increasingly digital world. Thank you for joining us today. For more information and resources on Colorado HB 21-1110 and digital accessibility, please visit our district website or contact a member of our curriculum or technology teams. Together, let's build a truly accessible future for all our students.